This is a Swage block. It's a super useful blacksmithing tool. You can use all these different shapes to form different curves or whatever. And all these holes, you can drive punches through there and you can make all sorts of things that fit in there. It's super useful. These things are awesome. This is 4 inches thick by 18 inches by 18 inches. It weighs 210 pounds. So it's bigger than my anvil. It's probably the heaviest piece of anything in this shop. I'm super excited about this. I've wanted one of these for a very long time. I finally got one, you know? This thing's been sitting in the ground for who knows how long. It's got rust, it's got pitting, it's got crud stuck everywhere. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the angle grinder with the wire brush and I'm just gonna clean this whole thing off first. And I haven't seen any markings yet. I don't know if I should expect to find any or not, but I'll see if I find anything. But most importantly, I just want to get this cleaned up so I can use it. I'm very pleased with how this cleaned up. It cleaned up real nice. It's in pretty good condition. There's some pitting, quite a bit of pitting, but that's not gonna hurt anything. There's a few chips in areas where it's not really gonna hurt much. I'm just in love with this piece. It's gorgeous. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this little short one. Not too complicated video, but just wanted to show this off. And soon I'll be making a stand, hopefully, if I can get steel here. But yeah, I'll be making a stand, so make sure to subscribe so you can see that video when it comes out. Please like. If you have any questions about this or about anything, if you want to see me make something in particular, drop a comment. Or if you like this video, just leave a comment, tell me you did. not like the video, then don't subscribe and just go away, I guess.